everyone. Today, let us start with one topic of English grammar, that is verbs, tenses. See, we had already done videos of verbs, right? Videos of verbs, explanation of verb is already uploaded. So today we will work with these tenses. That is, we all know there are total 12 tenses. Okay, that all 12 tenses are divided into 3 different parts. That is past tense, present tense and future tense. Right? I hope you people can see this board clearly. So once you go through with this board, in this for first part, we are going to only study with past tense. Okay? But before I start with past tense, let us recall once again what is verb exactly. So whatever action word it is, dancing, cooking, we can tell dance, cook, cry, right? All these words, run, jump, whatever words are there, talk, cry, laugh, जो भी presently action होता है उसको हम verb बोलते हैं, right? And then now action हो चुका है, that will go with past tense. Action हो रहा है, that will go with present tense. And action होगा, that will go with future tense, right? So in first part of this video, let us start with past tense. Okay. Now, if you remember, I had just told the word that there are going to be total 4 types in each part, right? So if I talk about first part, so in first part there are 4 types of tenses that goes with simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Now all these 4 tenses, let's see in detail about this. Okay. If I talk about only simple past tense, so in simple past we have to use second form of verb. If you remember your verbs, then we have 3 types of verbs, that is V1, V2, V3. If I talk about V1, V2 and V3, so let's suppose I have written here I wrote. Now wrote comes in V2 form. I wrote. Okay. Now further if I go, अब इसका base form जो है, it is write, wrote and written. Understood? So past tense में if I talk about, so in simple past, subject that is sentence किसके related है वो बताया जाएगा, plus उसके साथ verb का second form use होगा. Now if I talk about second form, so it will be either in ed form, or the whole word is also changed. Understood? That is write, wrote, written. So I wrote. Simply past tense verb का use होगा. Understood? Now one thing keep in mind, in past tense subject और verb के बीच में helping verb नहीं आता. Now if I talk about helping verb means is, am, are, was, were and all, right? So helping verb not comes in subject and past form of verb if I talk about simple past tense. Understood this much? I hope you people are getting the point. Okay. Now moving ahead, second example I have written he danced. See, sentence पूरा completely मतलब big sentence भी हो सकता है, like I wrote an essay in my notebook, right? तो उसमें I is a subject, wrote is your past tense. Okay, so I wrote an essay in notebook. Further we can write he danced on stage very well, right? तो sentence में he danced भी लिख सकते हैं, he danced on stage भी लिख सकते हैं. That is depend upon what kind of sentence you are writing. But verb जो है वो हमें ये बताता है कि whether we are talking about present tense, past tense or future tense, right? So now this is the first form of our past tense, that is simple past tense, जिसमें सिर्फ subject और verb का past form ही काम करता है, right? Now further if I talk about second one, if I I talk about, that is past continuous tense. अब अगर हम past continuous tense में बात करें तो over there you can see I have written here subject जिसके बारे में sentence होगा, then was या were. Now ये जो was या were है, this is helping verbs. Understood? ये जो was या were है, this we can tell as a helping verb. तो along with this helping verb, then we have to use present participle of verb, that is verb in ing form. Okay, verb in ing form. अब आप बोलोगे कि verb in ing form मतलब obviously see dancing, cooking, writing, jumping, so many things come with ing form. कई action words हैं, कई नहीं, सारे action words हैं जो ing form में लिखे जाते हैं, right? So that will be present participle form of verb. Understood? Okay. So if I talk about, see, I have written two examples over here. First is she was dancing. Okay, मतलब she was dancing, वो डांस कर रही थी. यहाँ पर was है, इसके लिए हमें पता चल रहा है कि ये जो sentence है, this sentence is completely in past tense. Understood? Then the second one, they were speaking. Okay. See, अगर हम ये नहीं use करेंगे, that is, if we don't use helping verbs, if we don't use was or were, then what will happen? Just speak the sentence without a was or were. She dancing. See, बोलने में ही गलत लगेगा. Understood? By speaking only we will come to know that this sentence is somewhere wrong. One thing I would like to tell you, see, जब भी हम sentences लिखते हैं, either we write about any subject, you know, we usually make so many grammatical mistakes. Grammatical mistakes को easily हम catch कर सकते हैं if we read that sentence carefully. क्योंकि I dancing अगर मैं पढ़ूँ और अगर मैं पढ़ूँ she dancing on the stage, मतलब कहीं ना कहीं कुछ missing है. She dancing on the stage हमें कुछ नहीं बताएगा whether it is going to be future continuous or it is going to be present continuous or it is going to be past continuous. Nothing will be seen in she dancing on the stage, right? लेकिन अगर उसके साथ कोई helping verb लगा होगा, that is was, were या फिर is, are something, उस वक्त हमें पता चल सकता है कि कौन से tense के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. Either we are talking about past tense or present tense and all, right? So she was dancing. In short, continuous में helping verb लगेगा ही, present tense में भी helping verb लगेगा. What that verb will be, we will discuss in present tense. Okay, let us first focus only with past tense sentences. So see, she was dancing. They were speaking. Now they is plural here. One another thing. This, if I talk about this was always go with singular. Understood? ये जो was है वो singular में ही जाएगा and were जो है वो always plural में ही जाएगा. Understood? Singular and plural में ही वो जाएगा, right? So if I talk here about they were speaking, so यहाँ पर अगर were use हुआ, obviously they is used for plural. Okay, so were is used for plural verb. Understood? And speaking, that is बोल रहे थे. Understood? Speaking will show you बोल रहे थे. Okay. Now next, if I talk about, we have so many examples. I can go on with many examples for this. So like suppose I was cooking in kitchen, right? Then you were playing cricket. See, if I talk about you were playing cricket, तो यहाँ पर you के साथ I have used were. Why were? Because you is one such person. Either it go with one singular person or it go with plural person. Okay, or it goes with many. कई बार हम बोलते हैं you are very naughty. अब उसमें select, suppose if in class I used to speak, you are very naughty, तो उसमें you मतलब it will include whole class. And if I talk about you are very naughty, so I can point to any one student also and say. In short, you can be used in singular and plural both. You can be used in both singular and plural. So, लेकिन उसके साथ most probably जो helping verb है, it goes with were only. Understood? यहाँ पे लिखा है they were speaking. I can write you were speaking and all also. Understood? Now further, if I talk about the third point, that is past perfect tense. Now past perfect tense की बात करें तो perfect में whenever you might have heard three words. Which three words you might have heard? You might have heard have, has and had. Right? Have has had की अगर हम बात करें तो इसमें जो had है, this is used for past perfect tense. Understood? इसमें जो had है, that is used for past perfect tense. Okay. So, if I talk about perfect tenses, past perfect tenses that will use subject, obviously हर sentence में होगा ही, right? Subject के साथ had as a helping verb plus past participle of verb. Now what is past participle of verb? That is V3 form, जिसको usually हम बोलते हैं. Like for example, write, wrote, written. So what is written? That is past participle form. Understood? Then further I can go with cooked. तो वहाँ पर अगर हम cook की बात करें तो select suppose वहाँ पर अगर हम cook की बात करें cooked and cooked. See यहाँ पर अगर हम cooked की बात करें तो in past tense also cooked is used, past participle also cooked is used. But we have to be very careful. पढ़ते वक्त भी हमें ये याद रखना है कि अगर यहाँ पर had use होता है, अगर यहाँ पे had use होता है तो मतलब जो verb का form होगा that will be V3 form. Understood? वो जो form होगा वो V3 होगा. Okay, that we have to be very careful. Like for example, कई irregular verbs हैं. Irregular verbs कौन से होते हैं? जो verbs तीनों तीन में same होते हैं. Like for example, if I write cut. So base form of verb, past tense of verb and past participle, तीनों में cut ही use होगा. Okay. So what happens in this? सिर्फ हमें ये helping verb भी बता सकता है कि whether we are doing it in present tense or we are doing in past tense or we are writing in past participle form. Understood? अगर यहाँ पे was were है तो मतलब हम past continuous की बात कर रहे हैं. अगर यहाँ पे had होगा तो हम perfect tense की बात कर रहे हैं. That is past perfect tense की बात कर रहे हैं. Understood? So this way we have to work on. Okay? Now further, if I talk about examples of this, see, she had written. Which example we had written here for past simple past tense? I wrote. Wrote is second form of verb. Written is third form of verb. Understood? Then they had learnt. Okay, learnt. तो past tense में भी learnt ही आएगा और past participle में भी learnt आएगा. But we have to be careful कि ये पूरा sentence जो है वो past perfect tense है. That is only with the help of this helping verb. So अगर आप helping verb नहीं use करोगे तो फिर tense कौन सा है वो पता नहीं चलेगा. Understood? Let's go ahead with past perfect continuous tense. अगर हम past perfect continuous, see perfect आया तो had तो लगेगा ही. Understood? Continuous आया तो ing भी लगेगा. Okay? Continuously ing form, that is present participle of verb लगता है. Perfect में had लगेगा. Right? So had and present participle form of verb. But in this we have an additional word to be written, that is B-E-E-N, been. Understood? had been plus present participle of verb. Now let us see example of this. He had been writing an essay. He had been writing an essay. Or else, Naresh had been working on his project. Understood? So this is what the use of had, working and been in between. Okay everyone? So these are 4 forms